Pilates Instructor Academy online continuing education courses. This is a workshop preview for Healthy Feet, Pilates Feet online workshop. Online continuing education courses are convenient and affordable. Our courses include a pre-recorded video lecture to watch at your convenience, downloadable PDF handouts so you can take accurate notes, a quiz to test your knowledge, and an immediate certificate download to report your CECs. Let's take a look at a sample of this course. This course is designed to teach Pilates instructor the importance of proper foot alignment and gait, as well as the common ailments associated with the foot and ankle. Specific exercises to strengthen the intrinsic muscles of the foot and toes will also be taught. You will need to practice the exercises presented in this lecture, so you can either pause after each exercise and practice at that time, or you may find it works better for you to wait until the end and practice all of the exercises at once. A PDF file describing all of the exercises is available for you to download. Plan on spending about 45 minutes to an hour for this online workshop. In this workshop, we go over the anatomy of the feet, including the bones, the arches, the connective tissue, and the muscles, so that you have a thorough understanding of the structure of the foot and the ankle. We discuss conditions of the feet, including bunions, plantar fasciitis, flat feet, condition of the toes like hammer toe, posterior tibialis tendonitis, and Morton's Neuroma. We include assessments that are easy to use with your clients so that you can do tests for these conditions in a session quickly. We also include a discussion on the importance of tailor neutral and how to find it, plus tons of exercises that you can add into a Pilates or fitness session very easily. If you'd like to learn more information about the feet, toes, arches, intrinsic muscles of the feet and ankles, and conditions that are common to the feet and ankles, this is the class for you. If you have questions, feel free to contact me for more information. Amanda Imes, there's 2 I's in Imes, at Pilates Instructor Academy, or you can give us a call at 888-251-2080. If you're ready to buy, you can find us on the web at pilatesinstructoracademy.com.